Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 34 North Barrack Road in Deal. This is a charming end of terrace Victorian home very close to the seafront, offering 2 double bedrooms and a very sympathetically refurbished finish to the property as well. We're coming straight through into the main reception room with this one, and you can see that gorgeous finish that the property's got throughout. Really nice reception area here to the front with lots of light coming in through the front of the property. Beautiful focal point there in the fireplace with that fantastic wood mantle above. And it's nice to note here, of course, the small features with those beautiful radiators that you can see underneath the windows. The porch area to the front just gives you that really nice space to greet you into the property. Nice and practical space to enjoy. Coming through to the rear of the property, we're going to go through and take a look at the kitchen dining room space. Now, the kitchen itself here is absolutely beautiful, and so is the bathroom. Two key things to note with this one is the beautiful finish that you've got. It really is a wonderful option that you can move straight into and enjoy, and it works perfectly as a holiday home, holiday let investment, buy to let investment, or perhaps a space for yourself. It's a wonderful, wonderful option. The kitchen comes with a range of fitted appliances, and you can see there you've got the electric hob with the oven below, the wine fridge, as well as the integrated appliances alongside it. To the rear, we've got the shower room on the ground floor of the property. Again, beautiful finish here with the loo with the concealed cistern. And on the right hand side, you've got that beautiful corner shower unit. Lots of light coming through here in this space as well from the frosted window at the side. And again, it's got that beautiful tiled finish with the underfloor heating. So coming back through into the kitchen area here, really impressive space. We're going to go back through into the reception area just across and go up to the first floor of the property and take a look at the bedrooms. Coming straight through to the top of the stairs, first thing you notice is that beautiful porthole window, letting all of that light coming through down into the stairwell. We're taking a right and going through into the first of 2 double bedrooms here. This bedroom in particular though, you've got that beautiful exposed brick fireplace there, and you've got the access out onto your private balcony space, which makes a huge difference with this property. You've got those really nice key characterful features that really does set it apart from the rest. So really nice private balconied area there. Coming back across this wonderful double-sized room with plenty of storage, you can see there on the left hand side with the inbuilt cupboard. Just coming across, we'll go through and take a look at the second bedroom. Now, this gives us a wonderful chance just to recap a few points on the property. Of course, this is number 34 North Barrack Road in Deal. This is an end terrace Victorian home close to the seafront with 2 double bedrooms and a beautiful finish. And it's worth noting that the seafront is literally just 176 yards away. So I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.